Hey guys, it's your girl Jossie, aka J Renee, and I'm back with another video. Today we will be DIYing these boots. I don't really know how it's gonna turn out, but we'll see. But before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Give this video a thumbs up, and that will make my day. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So here they're just plain black boots, platform, nothing special. Let's see if we can jazz them up a little bit. So what I used for this was needle and thread, some chains that I got from my old stuff that had chains on it, you know, chains and stuff. Your little chain pliers to like peel away the chains and stuff. This is a little kit that I've had for a minute now. So I bought these. This was a pack of like necklace chains. It just came in a bulk thing, but I tried my best to put it around like the little old spool of thread that I had. So we're gonna try and use that. Got these from, I think this was, a leather jacket that I have. And I took this off of it because I didn't like how it got here. Also, some scissors. Okay, so we're just gonna do one boot at a time. And I'm just gonna speed it up to show you exactly what I wanna do.
detail.
Okay, when this is done, I'll let you know. Hey y'all, I'm back. Finally finished my boots, and this is how they're looking. All jeweled up or whatever. They're hanging low now, but once we put them on, they're gonna look real good. So make sure you sew them all down right along the zipper line, and however you wanted to do it. You didn't have to do it anything like I did, but this is how mine turned out. So let's go put these bad babies on. So here they are. This process took me about 2 weeks, but it shouldn't take you that long. Maybe a couple hours at the most. It only took me this long because I put it off for a week or so, and then I only tried to finish when I had time. But don't get me wrong, this did take a while, but the end result was worth it. And so here I paired it with some black leggings and my top that I made in my last video. So go check that out. These two I thought were a great match because there's some gold in the shirt. But remember to make the chains tight enough for your leg while the boot is on. I only had to do this because my legs aren't as wide as the actual boots are. Oh, and I probably won't be posting every Monday. I just don't think that is very realistic, but I will try to post once a week. So if you aren't subscribed yet, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.